So in this video I will show you how to stop Google Chrome from running in the background when even closed. Running background apps can consume resources and affect your system performance. Let's dive into the steps to disable this feature and optimize Chrome's behavior. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. So let's start the process. First open Chrome browser and click on the three dots at the top right corner. Then select Settings and now click on System at the left panel. The first option you will see is Continue running background apps when Google Chrome is closed. Simply toggle this off. That's it. Chrome will no longer run background apps when closed. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking the video and stay tuned for more tutorials.